Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by powering and positioning the gear. Charge the case and both Indy Fuel earbuds to at least 50% so pairing won't fail mid-process. Once charged, make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is enabled and the device sits within about 1.5 meters. Place the earbuds in the case, then open the lid. This wakes them and initiates pairing mode automatically. When the LED flashes white, you're ready to move to the next step to actually link the connection. With the earbuds awake, you'll pair them to your device. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and look for Indy Fuel in the available devices list. Tap to pair. If the name doesn't appear, take both earbuds out and press and hold their multifunction buttons for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LEDs flash. That forces pairing mode. Once you accept the prompt, the UI should read connected. Play a short clip to confirm left and right channels and microphone functionality work. Finish by syncing settings and verifying behavior. Once connected, close the case for 2 seconds and reopen to ensure stable reconnection. Make sure each earbud registers in your device's audio outputs. If audio is only on one side or pairing fails, place both earbuds in the case and hold their buttons for 10 seconds to perform a reset, then repeat the pairing steps. If problems persist, reboot your phone or delete the Indy Fuel entry from Bluetooth and try pairing again. This clears
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.